Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of Class 3 on the topic of Chapter 11, Fill in the Blanks, Short Question and Broad Question. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 11, Fill in the Blanks, Short and Broad Question. Students, this is our 14th lecture and 13th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 14th lecture and 13th homework. Students, for today's class, take your Bangladesh and Global Studies book, notebook and writing elements. We'll start our class. Let's begin. First, we'll start our class with fill in the blanks. Number 1, on Gap, the Pakistan Army surrendered. Students, can you guess what will be in the gap? Okay, can you mention when Pakistan Army surrendered? Okay. Come here, lesson 2. In this line, in chapter 10, you read that the war with Pakistan went on for 9 months till 16 December 1971. On that day, the Pakistan Army got defeated and surrendered. Here, on that day means 16th December. That means on 16th December 1971, the Pakistan Army got defeated and surrendered. So, in the gap, we have to write 16th December. Okay, I'm writing 16th December. D E C E M B E R. December. On 16th December, the Pakistan Army surrendered. Number 2, the rulers of Pakistan wanted dash to be the state language. I'm repeating, the rulers of Pakistan wanted dash to be the state language. Can you guess what will be the answer? Okay, come to lesson 1. In this line, but the rulers of Pakistan wanted Urdu to be the only state language. So, in the gap, you have to write the word Urdu. I'm writing, the rulers of Pakistan wanted Urdu. The spelling is U-R-D-U, Urdu. Students, keep in mind that the spelling of Urdu will be U-R-D-U, and the word Urdu starts with capital letter because it is a kind of language. So you have to write U in capital letter. Now, come to number 3. Dash is our Independence Day. Can you say which is our Independence Day? Okay, we'll find the answer in lesson 2. Look here. Every year on 26th March, we celebrate Independence Day. I'm repeating, every year on 26th March, we celebrate Independence Day. So, in the gap, we have to write 26th March. Okay, 26th March is our Independence Day. Now, number 4. Nabanno marks the gap of crops. So, in the gap, The word will be harvest. We find here, come to lesson 3. Nabanno is a festival in rural Bangladesh. It marks the harvesting of crops. Here we find harvesting, but we can't write the same word because we have to write here harvest. Nabanno marks the harvest of crops. H A R V E S T, harvest. Nabanno marks the harvest of crops. Students, we have done our true false. Fill in the blanks. Now we'll do short question and broad question. And one thing I want to mention, from this chapter we'll do 2 short question and only 1 broad question. I'm repeating, we'll do only 1 broad question from this chapter. So let's begin. Short question 1. What was the demand of language movement? I'm repeating, the question is, what was the demand of language movement? The answer is, the rulers of Pakistan wanted Urdu to be the only state language, but the Bengalis did not accept that. So the language movement was held by the Bengalis on 21st February 1952, and the Bengalis demanded to establish Bangla as the state language. Now come to number 2. Question is, who surrendered in December 1971? I'm repeating, who surrendered in December 1971? The answer is, the Liberation War of Bangladesh went on for 9 months till 16th December 1971. On that day, the invading army of Pakistan surrendered. That's for our short question. Now we'll learn broad question 1. Our question is, how do we celebrate Independence Day? I'm repeating, how do we celebrate Independence Day? The answer will be, every year on 26th March we celebrate Independence Day. It is our national day. We observe the day by performing different functions. Our national memorial was built in Sabrin in memory of the martyrs of Liberation War. Each year, we go to Sabrin on this day and pay our respects with flowers at the National Martyrs Memorial. We also observe this day through different cultural programs. Students, that's for our only broad question from this chapter. Now, I'm giving your homework. Your homework will be, fill in the blanks, only answer. I'm repeating, your homework will be, fill in the blanks, only answer. So, you have to write these 4 fill in the blanks in your SW copy. And no need to pick the questions. You will give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and then only write the gap. Okay, I hope you understand. And another thing, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 14 and homework number is 13. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. Guardians or anyone else can submit your copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.